anyone that's serious about adopting Petunia, we're going to be leaving the contact information in the comment section. So if you go down there, there will be the information. Just leave all your information on the number you call. Give all your information. Make sure you don't have any cats or dogs. And let's get this baby at home.
Do you like going to the vet?
Who can relate? This struggle is real.
People can make you feel rare and pure and special. How many people can make you
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb.
smart or dumb? Give him your heart, and he'll give you his. How many people can you say that about?
Can you close the door for me, Mochi? Mochi, can you close the door for me? All the way. All the way. All the way. Thank you.